Hey everybody, Ray here. Welcome to It's All About the Cocktail. So the whole idea of this channel is simple cocktails at home. So I want to show you something that is really easy, the Peach Mint Cooler. Okay, now with this I'm going to use 2 Gingers Irish Whisky, but you can substitute any spirit you want. You want to put tequila in there, you want to put rum in there, you want whatever you want, you can substitute. Okay, you don't have to run out and get anything, whatever you have at home. Hopefully you get some peach schnapps with you, because that's kind of what makes the drink. Okay, so to start, all I do is I fill up my glass, I put ice in my glass, and that gets my glass nice and cold. And I dump out the ice, and I'm going to boil this right in the glass. Okay, so first we're going to do is we're going to get some fresh ice out of our whiz bang cooler. Then all we simply want to do is we want to put 1.5 parts of our 2 Gingers Irish Whisky, or whatever it is, whatever spirit it is that you want to use. In this case, I wanted to bring this to you before I ran out. This is what I used the other night, and it worked well, but I want to bring it to you before I run out of the bottle. Throw that in our glass, and then we're simply just going to put 1 ounce of our peach schnapps in there. I'm telling you, it's a really simple drink. And while I'm doing this, it'll be a good time to ask you, I don't like going over this, but I would like you to subscribe, share this with somebody, and like this, but I don't want to keep going over that, so, okay. Then we're simply going to fill our glass up another couple ounces with lemonade. Now, one of the other cocktail channels that I watch, I made friends with him, is kind of Booze on the Rocks. He's from Canada, yeah, hey there. Anyways, he has a thing where he made lemonade. I thought, I'm going to do that. Yeah, that's great. I'm going to make some lemonade. So I went to the store. I'm going to buy some lemons, buy a bag of lemons, do all this stuff, make them. But this is $1.50. I mean, just 15 is like lower sugar lemonade, $1.50. I'm like, okay, simple cocktails, right? I'm just I do it the easy way. Okay. But if you want to learn how to make fresh lemonade, I'll put his link to his video in the description down below. Now, you don't have to do this part, but I like my St. Elizabeth's Allspice Dram. Okay, so I happen to make, when I made this, I poured a little bit in the center. So I'm just going to pour a little bit in the center. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. And then simply we're just going to put some peach wedges down the side of the drink. Some fresh peach is always good. And then we're just going to put a little lemon on the side there. And then we're going to take some mint that I just got up my plant outside. Give that a slap to wake up the essential oils in it. And then we're just going to throw that right on the side there. And then we're just going to throw a couple cocktail straws along the side there. What you want to do is you want to put that right by the mint, so when they take a sip, they get a big nose full of mint. Okay, let's give that a whirl. Wow, that is good. I mean, like I say, you don't have to have the Allspice Dram in there, but I really like this stuff. I think if you get a bottle of the St. Elizabeth's Allspice Dram, it does last a while too. It's a thin little bottle, but it'll last a while. But it definitely just dresses this drink up. But the main thing is the peach schnapps really makes this really quite good. So you can throw the lemon right on top there if you want. So I would like you to send me back a comment and let me know if you like simple drinks. I mean, I did a few simple drinks back in the back, and people were commenting how they like the simplicity of it. So do you like simple drinks? Do you want something a little more complicated? Let me know, man. Let me know if you like simple drinks, and I will get back to you just in time for the next round. I'll see you later. Yo, Ray, throw me some of that ass, man. I like that ass. Thanks, Roy. Too big.